Hi, today we are going to see how to use column in Google Docs. First open your document in Google Docs which you want to add the column. Then select your text. After selecting your text, click on Format. Then you will find column under line and paragraph spacing. Then click on Columns. Here is 3 options available. Here is 2 column option, here is 3 column option. You can go more option for more option. Here you can choose how many columns do you want. Here is spacing. You can specify the spacing between the columns, and here is line between columns. If you want a line between the columns, then check this box. After selecting all those fields, click on Apply. Here is your column. Now if you want to delete the column, again select the text and go to Format, then Columns and more option. Now select On here and uncheck the line between columns, then click on Apply. Your column will be deleted. So this is how you can use columns in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.